Stop. If you're thinking about buying Adamix AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this is not just another AI tool, and if you misunderstand this, you might either miss a huge opportunity or fall for pure hype. So before you click that buy button, watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete honest review of Adamix AI, what it really does, what makes it different from tools like ChatGPT, and whether it's actually worth your money. So if you decide to get Adamix AI, make sure you use the link in the description. Because I'm giving away 2 powerful bonuses that are designed to help you actually make money with this, not just use it. What is Adamix AI? Adamix AI is being called the first intelligence that actually thinks for you. Not just responds, not just generates, but actually understands your intent, makes decisions and executes the entire task. All inside one simple chat interface. You don't need prompts, you don't need multiple tools, you just type what you want, and it handles everything. Benefits, why people are interested. Here's why this is getting attention. It replaces tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and video tools, all in one place. No prompt writing. It understands what you mean, creates text, images, videos and marketing content. One-time price, no monthly fees, fully encrypted, your data stays private and you can even sell what you create and keep 100% profit. This is why marketers, creators and freelancers are jumping on it. Inside Adamix AI, you're getting 1 unified chat dashboard, AI that plans plus executes tasks automatically, content creation system, blogs, ads, scripts, image plus video generation, smart intent understanding, no prompts needed, and commercial license included. Plus, it literally follows this flow, think to decide to deliver. Which means, you don't work, the AI works for you. Now let's be real, here's the honest truth. Pros: super beginner friendly, saves tons of time, all in one system, no monthly fees and great for content plus business use. Cons: thanks for you claim is a bit hyped, you still need clear ideas for best results and not magic, you must take action. Results: what to expect. You can create content faster, start freelancing services, build faceless channels and sell content to clients. Some people use this to charge $100 to $500 per project. But remember, this is not a get-rich-quick tool. It's a leverage tool. Now let's talk about my exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1: AI Client Cache System, value, $997. I'll show you how to use Adamix AI to get clients, deliver services using AI and charge $100 to $500 per project. This turns Adamix into a real income machine. Bonus 2: Faceless Content Empire Blueprint, value, $1,297. You'll learn how to build YouTube plus TikTok automation channels, use AI content to grow fast and monetize with ads plus affiliate offers. Perfect combo with Adamix AI. These bonuses are only available through my link and will expire anytime during launch. So, is Adamix AI worth it? If you want simplicity, automation, all-in-one AI system and no monthly fees, then yes, it's worth trying. But if you expect push-button money, this is not for you. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, grab it with my bonuses and lock in the deal before it increases. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.